Okay. And then we're going to pattern the rest of them. So I'm going to go here, linear pattern. We're going to pick that little guy there, and we're going to say like 10 of them. And we're going to put a distance down of 16. Oops. How about in the y-axis? And we're going to take that away. And we'll have a look at it here and see how far it went. It wasn't enough. I would recommend clicking add dimension. That way you've got some means of control over, you know, not having to recreate the pattern. So we're going to put in more like 14. And I'm going to say we might need 15. Nope. 14. We're going to OK that. And so you can see it added a dimension here, and if I change that, it'll change the spacing on the rest of them. I'm going to check the distance from here to there, or I'm going to cancel that. We'll move that in here so you can see it. I'm going to temporarily put a dot there so I can redo the distance from there to there. That's good. Oops. I'm going to delete them now, get them out of there. So now what I'm going to do is add a center line both directions on this particular sketch. So I have a center point to do any mirroring around. Okay. And so now we're going to mirror entities. We're going to pick all these little happy guys here. And actually, you know what? I should hold up for a sec. And I should copy entities. I'm going to copy it from there to there to get my other corner stud. And I'll probably put, you know, like three studs. If it was a 2x6 wall, I'd do something different, but I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Exit commands from there to there and there. And I probably did not. Oh. I wish it would, when you copied them, it would automatically associate, you know, obviously you're trying to go coincident, and so that would be one of my complaints. Some type of automatic inference. See, it doesn't know any of those are supposed to be where they're supposed to be. So I'll go back in and constrain them and make that horizontal and do the same thing for those. Coincident. Oh, and I forgot to make these horizontal down here, although, yeah, so they can still be rotated. And we've got this one here that can do all kinds of weird stuff. So, and then this actually should be, man, that should be coincident with the corner. Shouldn't be able to be dragged anywhere. None of these should be. I shouldn't be able to drag them anywhere. So, again, perfect example of where I need to make sure that the center line that they put in to drive that is constrained to vertical so that none of these can be moved from their position. Now I'm going to go ahead and mirror them. And okay that. And there's of course something it doesn't like. I've had this happen on a number of, it's saying that it's overdefined. So I'm going to go ahead and have it diagnose it. It takes a fair amount of time, but okay. So the screen, even the cursor will be in the same spot the screen's going to jump. It's got only one suggestion it's made, and it wants to delete a whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to exit out. And I'm going to undo a couple of things. Actually, I'm going to only undo one thing. And that's going to be that last. We're going to go ahead and extrude out of the sketch. And Control 8. Put you normal to. Up to surface, and I'm going to pick, this is the surface I'm extruding to. Again, it's so that if I change the height of the top plate, the studs automatically change too. And voila. I probably forgot to uncheck merge result, and now it doesn't like it. So we'll try up to vertex and see if it does any better with that. And for whatever reason it liked that. So I'm not sure what the deal is there.